As a just recently launched project, we started with 50 million of our market capitalization, and within 12 next months, we are going to grow up to 500 millions of market cap. It means that for us, we are going to bring liquidity of gold, and as well we are using USDT as liquidity. In the case of liquidity growth, we are not competing with the international significant measure stable coins. For us, we are mostly focusing on cross-border transactions and building the infrastructure to connect Central Asia to Southeast Asia, Asia, MENA region, and Turkey. So it's mostly we are focusing on allowing businesses to have a trustable, transparent, gold-backed stablecoin for the transaction and business purposes. And we are starting small now, but we are going to grow with the demand. And now we see the demand and the institutional interest that we have from potential partners, investors, and those corporates and businesses who would like to use our stablecoin as a settlement instrument first.